guys, so today and tomorrow, these are the 2 days we have before Christmas break, and I wanted to do something that was kind of easy yet still related to biology, and you could still potentially see something like this on the keystone. So we're going to look at dichotomous keys. We're going to start them today. I'm going to go through examples with you, and then tomorrow we're going to be finishing up the activity that you'll do on your own. And it's a Christmas activity, so if you guys want to go ahead and put on Frosty the Snowman when you're working tomorrow, I would highly encourage it because that's probably what we're going to be doing in class. They have some free versions on YouTube. So this is the link for you to click on the document, and it has 2 dichotomous keys in it. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you exactly how to do dichotomous keys so that whenever you start doing your own activity, you will know what you're doing. So you click on that link and it is going to open up, let me minimize that one, something that looks just like this. So you got these monsters here and there are 10 of them. And if you scroll down a little bit more, there are some sharks. And then this is the actual dichotomous key. And what a dichotomous key is it tells you, or it's a way of determining what a species is. So we aren't going to be doing anything too complicated like that. We have monsters and sharks. It's not too terribly difficult to do. And there's not a lot of them. Real dichotomous keys can have, 100 questions or so. Ours do not have that many. So I'm going to open up 2 windows here. And that way on one side, we'll be able to see if the computer works the way I want it to. Stop. We'll be able to see the monsters. And on the other side, I'll have my dichotomous key open. So we'll be able to label everything. Hide that. Okay. So in science, we use many helping aids to organize and easily retrieve info. This is a dichotomous key activity. A dichotomous key is a tool that scientists can use to help identify a particular specimen. A specimen could be a chemical that is identified by its physical properties, or an insect identified by its markings and traits, based on its different properties. The term dichotomous begins with the prefix di, which means 2. The dichotomous key, for example, allows scientists to ask a series of questions with yes or no answers. Each question should be phrased so the answer will be yes or no. Now, does it just have to be yes or no? No, you're looking for something that has 2 questions, and there is a definite answer at the end of it. So the one that you do tomorrow, or maybe a little bit later today, everything isn't going to be a yes or no answer, but it will have 2 answers, and that's the most important thing here with a dichotomous key is that it has 2 answers. So our first question, we're going to pick an organism to look at here. So let's just do number 1. This one kind of looks like an octopus. So my first question, does it have wheels? Well, no, it doesn't have wheels. So it tells me, okay, go to 4. So I'm going to skip down to question number 4. There we go, all the way down here. Does it have feet with toes? No, it does not look like it has feet with toes. So it says go to 6. Does it have tentacles like an octopus? Well, yeah, this definitely looks like an octopus. So that is Ruth Ormond. That's Ruth. And that's how dichotomous key works. You just go through and you decide what the organism is based off of the clues. So our next one here, and you always start up at the beginning for each organism. Does it have wheels? No, it does not. So we're going back down to number 4. Does it have feet with toes? This time my answer is yes, because look at that. It does have toes. So we're going to number 5. Does it have ears? And this one does have ears. Yes, so his name is Elmer Nugent. Next one here. Start back up at the beginning. Does it have wheels? No. Go to 4. Does it have feet with toes? No. Go to 6. Does it have tentacles? No. Go to 7. Does it have webbed feet like a duck? Yes. Go to 8. Does it have feathers on its butt? Yes, it does have feathers, or what looks like feathers. So that's Myrtle. And the thing about these is that if you're going through it and you realize that you messed up, that's okay. You can go back and you can fix your answers later on. All right, down here, this one looks like it wanted to be a unicorn. Does it have wheels? Yes, it does. We're going to 2. Does it have 4 wheels? No. Go to 3. Does it have 2 arms? It does. So that's Agnes Stover. Oh. Agnes. My next one here. Does it have wheels? No. Does it have feet with toes? Yes. Does it have ears? No. That's going to be Bob Ritchie. And you can probably hear the lawnmower out there right now, maybe. If not, well, then I'm telling you they're mowing the grass outside the door. So if you do hear something loud, it's the tractor. We're almost done here. Look at this little guy. Looks like a seahorse. Does he have wheels? No. Go to 4. Does he have feet with toes? No. Go to 6. No. Tentacles. Webbed feet like a duck? No. 9. Does it have teeth? Yes, he does. That's Elton. Number 6. Oh, that looks like a little snake. Does it have wheels? No. Go to 4. Feet with toes? No. Go to 6. Tentacles? No. Webbed feet? No. Does it have teeth? Not that we see, so that is Nora. Nora Outfleet. All right, number 8. Does it have wheels? Yes, it does. Go to 2. Does it have 4 wheels? Yes, it does. That is going to be Stanley Ray. And number 9. No wheels. So we go to 4. No toes. So we go to 6. So no tentacles. It does have webbed feet that looks like a duck. 8. Does he have feathers on his butt? No, that is going to be Walter Allen. And the last one here, number 10. Does it have wheels? Yes, it does. Go to 2. 4 wheels? No. 2 arms? It has 4 arms. So no to 2 arms. That is going to be Maud. So as I was going through these, if I would have come across one and it would have come up with the same answer twice, I would have wanted to go back to the other one that had that answer and see, where did I mess up at? Which one is actually correct? Oh, my sharks have disappeared on that one, but they are over here on this one. I don't know what happened on this page. So they do give you a diagram down here to identify the sharks with. If you want to try to go through and do that one, you can. It looks like it might be a little bit more complicated just because these drawings are not very good. But we can try to do a few here. So I don't think I can write on this one either. This is just a scanned in copy. And if you look at this dichotomous key, it doesn't just have answers that are yes and no like the first one did, but it is an either or. So for example, number 1, body is a kite-like shape if you're viewing it from above. Or body is not a kite-like shape. So the question there would be, does the body have a kite-like shape? Yes, you would go down to 12. No, you'd go to 2. So it's the same idea. You just want to have an either or statement. Now, if you want to do that one, you can. I'm not going to go through and do this whole example as well. I think you guys got it from the monsters. And if you have any other questions, you can definitely shoot me an email. I'm going to go ahead and make a separate video just to kind of walk you through my Christmas dichotomous key that I made up. So no, you will not be able to find the answers online anywhere. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you soon.